Hello 8th class students. Today we will continue our lesson number 2, spreadsheet formulas and functions. Today we will start from the topic cell reference and its types. The cell address that we use in the formula is known as the cell reference. So this cell address is also known as the cell reference. So what is cell address? For example, if we have cell A1, it means A column and first row. If we have cell B7, it means B column 7th row. This is the address of the cell, and by using this address we can do what we can do. We can use the data from different parts of the worksheet or different sheets of the workbook. Means this sheet, as you know, there are sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. This sheet data we can use in sheet 2 also, and this sheet 2 data we can use in sheet 1 also, or sheet 1 data we can use in sheet 3 also. So there are basically three types of cell references. First is relative reference, second is absolute reference, third is mixed reference. So let's understand one by one these references. First we will see relative reference. When you create a formula, references to a cell or ranges are usually based on the position relative to the cell. When you copy or move the formula to other cells, the reference to the cell automatically gets changed. Let's say, for example, in this cells you can say there are some values in B column and in C column. When we are copying the values of B column, then we will use the formula here is equal to sum B2 to B7. Then when we try to copy this formula here, then automatically it will change the cell address B2 to C2, C2 to C7. Let's do it practically. I will show you. For example, in relative reference, I will show you again. We will write here the formula like is equal to sum, then bracket start. I have copied the formula, this one range, then press the enter key. Its sum is 8900. Now I will use this formula by dragging it also, or you can use it by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V also, or you can use copy also and paste it also. This is called relative reference, so it will automatically change the value related with these cells. Like here, if the cell is B2 to B7, range total has come when we copied the formula. So this reference they have taken by itself, it will change the value C2 to C7 sum. Next is absolute reference. What is absolute reference? So first we will see what is absolute reference. Absolute reference is used when we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula to another cell. Sometimes user want to use the same cell in all the cell numbers. For example, if we have written some values here, if we written is equal to B2 is 1000, multiply, then we will use dollar sign. When we want to use absolute reference, there is one rule: we need to use dollar sign before the column and the row number. For example, here $A is before the column and dollar before the row number 1 also. So here it means column A row 1 plus column A row 2 will be added. In the same way, if we want to use this one absolute reference but we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula, then we can use it. How? See it practically. Let's understand it. In absolute reference, for example, I have already typed here in E11 cell 10%. So we will write the formula here is equal to B2, then multiply, then we will use dollar sign if we want to use this one absolute reference. So we will write here is equal to B2 multiply dollar E, then we will again write $11. The sign is on the 4 number key, number key के 4 number key के ऊपर होता है. Then you can press the enter key. What it will do, it will write the address of B2, but when we copy the formula what it will do, it will change the address from B2 to B3, but E11 is same. Here also B4 but E11 is same, B5 but E11 is same, B6 but B11 E11 is same, B7 but E11 is same. So here they don't want to change the address of the E11 cell. So this is called a second reference, which is absolute reference. Third is mixed reference. What is mixed reference? In mixed reference, it is a basically a combination of relative and absolute. दोनों को mix करके अगर हम बनाएं, that is the called the mixed reference. In this type of reference, either row or column has to remain fixed. For example, $A1 plus $2. So it is a relative and it is, you can say, absolute reference. So basically it is a combination of relative and absolute reference. For example, I will show you here in the practically. We will write here in mixed reference, we will write here the address of this cell. For example, we will write here is equal to $C2 minus C2 में से माइनस होगा which value E, which is E, then $E